Hello, welcome to TBO Graphics channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a beautiful sunset vector landscape in Adobe Illustrator. First, create a new document, pick the rectangle tool, and make a background. We use a rectangle because it covers the whole canvas easily. Go to Window, click on the gradient, apply a warm orange to red gradient to create the sunset sky. This gradient helps to give a natural sunset mood and smooth color transition. Hold Shift, now use the ellipse tool and draw the sun in the center. A simple circle works best for a clean sunset look. Apply a warm light yellow to white gradient to create the sun. Go to Effect, click on the stylize and apply outer glow. Next, take the pen tool and draw the first shape. Pick the curvature tool as used because it gives full control over custom shapes. Select the direct selection tool select and adjust anchor points. Fill it with a dark color. Dark tones help to create contrast against the bright sky. Create more mountain layers in the background. Use slightly different shades to add depth. Hold Alt for a duplicate layer. Lower the sun behind the mountains. This creates depth and makes the scene feel more realistic. Take the pen tool and draw the shape. And fill in the black color. Add grass, click on the images trace. Follow these settings. Next, click on the expand. Pick the magic wand tool and select the white color, then press delete. Adjust the grass. Hold Alt. Lower the sun behind the mountains. Double-click on the wrinkle tool. Follow these settings on your screen. Press OK. Reflections make the design more realistic and visually appealing. Create a soft reflection using simple shapes and lower opacity. Select the scissor tool, cut paths at anchor points or long segments. Apply a warm orange-black to red gradient. Next, import the tree. We will use image trace to convert the tree into a vector sape. Follow these, setting, next click on the expand. Pick the magic wand tool and select the white color, then press delete. Right-click, transfer click on the reflect and select into vertical. Adjust the layers and elements until everything looks balanced. Proper alignment is important for a professional look. And that's it. Our sunset landscape illustration is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like the video and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tutorials.